Systems administrator salaries in 2026 are harder to read than they should be. You'll see one source around $73,000, another near $97,000, another over $112,000 when total compensation is included. That doesn't mean the data is useless. It means the job title is broad. Same title, but different scope.
A sysadmin managing password resets is not doing the same job as someone running a hybrid VMware and Azure environment.
Same title, different scope, different salary.
This matters because a lot of companies still budget for the sysadmin role like it's 2020.
They want someone who can manage AD, backups, VPN, patching, cloud resources, security controls, and on-call support. Then, they post the job at $68,000 and wonder why the candidate pool looks thin. That's not a compensation problem. That's a role design problem. In 2026, a practical benchmark starts around $96,000. From there, you adjust for location, experience, certifications, and how complex the environment is. The salary sources disagree because they measure different things. PayScale skews earlier in career. Glassdoor tends to run higher because it includes bonus, stipends, and other compensation. The BLS number is a stronger anchor because it gives a national median. But even that needs context. A junior sysadmin in a smaller company might sit around $60,000 to $73,000. A mid-level sysadmin who owns the environment is more likely in the $85,000 to $110,000 range. A senior sysadmin with cloud, automation, and infrastructure planning experience can move into the $110,000 to $140,000 range. And leader principal infrastructure roles can push past $150,000. Experience changes the number quickly. The biggest jump usually happens between entry-level and mid-level. That's when the sysadmin stops just handling tickets and starts owning outcomes. They can troubleshoot DNS without walking through every step online. They can manage patching cycles. They can think through backup strategy. They're the person the business calls when something breaks at 2 a.m.
Location still matters too. A lot of sysadmin jobs still require physical presence. Hardware fails.
That's why Southern California markets like Orange County, Los Angeles, and San Diego often run above the median. The local talent pool is tighter, and the work often includes defense, healthcare, aerospace, or regulated environments. Not every certification moves salary. Some are just noise. The ones that matter connect to the environment. AWS Certified SysOps Administrator and Azure Administrator AZ-104 are the strongest signals right now. Security Plus matters in government, defense, healthcare, and finance. Not having it can get someone screened out.
RHCSA matters in Linux-heavy shops. And CISSP can move a sysadmin towards security architecture.
Cloud skills are the multiplier. Security skills widen the market. Hybrid infrastructure makes the candidate more useful. The biggest mistake is writing a mid-level job description with an entry-level salary. Those are different hires. If the role includes on-call work, compensate for it. That might mean a monthly stipend or a stronger base salary. And keep the certification list realistic. Pick the 2 or 3 that match your environment and drop the rest. So, is systems administration dying? No. The role is moving toward cloud, automation, identity, and security.
Do remote sysadmin jobs exist? Yes. But many are remote until hardware needs attention. Cloud only is key.
The takeaway is straightforward. Don't budget for the title. Budget for the environment. Stability requires investment. If you're hiring and need a clear read on compensation, KORE1 can help you benchmark the role and find candidates who fit.